Hi everybody, welcome to your class. Today we are going to learn how to emphasize more in the object or the action rather than in the subject of a sentence. This is passive voice. You will find passive voice in scientific texts when an actor of an action is unknown or unimportant. That means maybe you don't know or you don't care about this. When you want to avoid assigning blame, or when you want to start in a sentence with the most important information. To transform a sentence into the passive voice, we just need some very easy steps. Are you ready? Here we go. Step number 1. Remember that we don't care too much now the subject of my sentence. We care more the object or the action of my sentence. That's why this first step is to identify my subject, my verb, and my object. For example, in here we have Thomas Alva Edison invented the light bulb. My subject is Thomas Alva Edison. My verb is invented, and my object is the light bulb. The second step is to identify what is your new subject of the sentence. It means what do we care? In this case, for example, we care the object that is the light bulb. So we use now the light bulb as the new subject of my sentence. The step number 3 is to add my verb to be before the main verb. But you need to pay attention. In this case, for example, my verb is invented. It is in the past simple form. So, as this is in the past, I will add the verb to be in the past. That in this case is was. The step number 4, and I will say that this step is optional, is to add the original subject using by. In this case, by Thomas Edison. Easy, don't you think? Let's see the next example. We have people make guacamole from avocados, lime juice, coriander, and salt. All of we care the guacamole, right? But we don't care who makes this. So my object or the important thing in here is the guacamole. So I will take guacamole as the new subject of my sentence. Then I add my verb to be. In this case is in the present. And finally, I add my verb in the past participle form. Guacamole is made from avocados, lime juice, coordinator, and salt. Can you see? I just use my object, my verb to be, and the verb in the past participle form. Now let's see some other examples using different tenses.
Monica writes a letter. A letter is written by Monica.
My brother is baking a cake. A cake is being baked by my brother.
The teacher explained the lesson. The lesson was explained by the teacher.
Workers are repairing the road. The road is being repaired by the workers.
They have seen that movie before. That movie has been seen by them before.
I had found the lost wallet before she called. The lost wallet had been found before she called.
She can finish the entire project in one day if she focuses on the task. The entire project can be finished in one day by her if she focuses on the task.
The company must complete the installation of the new software system. The installation of the new software system must be completed.
You should bring a jacket to the outdoor event because it might get cold in the evening. A jacket should be brought to the outdoor event because it might get cold in the evening.
He will call the customer to confirm the appointment. The customer will be called to confirm the appointment.
This terrific letter was written by Mr. Archie Bunker.
That isn't being pissed away by some substandard cook.
Your grand celebration is being prepared.
They told us that it had been built in 1792.
The roof will be fixed next week.
Your calculus books are due in my office on Friday.
And they must be completed by Friday.
You will be escorted by U.S. Marshals.
And now you know how to focus more on the object or the action of something rather than the subject.